Okay, your initial setup on the CQuiet door noise shield, what we want to look at is which way does the door swing itself, because we've got to compensate for the jam as far as the width of the material that we're going to put on the back of the door. So a quick easy way is pretty well just closing the door. And basically marking where your jams are at, and then we can go ahead and get an accurate dimension that we need for the material. So before we cut the material, we're going to go ahead and remove all the hardware that we have on the door, your automatic door return, the handle. If you got a foot stop or some other device on the door, you're going to want to head and remove that. One of the things I forgot to mention, but on your automatic door returns, wherever the bolts or fasteners are at for that, go ahead and mark it upon the upper edge here. It'll be easier to find them in the future. Okay, to trim your door noise shield, it's just simply a matter of marking it off to the dimensions you want, and we're going to use a straight edge for the cutting. Okay, once the door noise shield has been cut, what we're going to do is just go ahead and simply attach it to the back of the door using the appropriate screw, whether it's a metal or a wood door, and a fender washer to hold everything in place. We recommend that you start in one corner. Again, keeping in mind that we've got the inside jam here, so we need to keep the material below the jam area. We suggest going down one side, spacing your screws every 8 to 10 inches, but maintaining a consistent gap along the edge to compensate for the jam. Okay, included with your door noise kit is a roll of aluminum tape. What we're utilizing this for is to basically clean up the installation itself. Again, we had to come in off the edge due to the jams and everything, but it just gives an overall cleaner, professional type of appearance. As far as the installation, we just recommend that basically you come over the edge of the door about halfway, so about 3/4 of an inch. Go ahead, pull it down the door. Get it applied to the door edge first. And then we're just going to simply fold it over onto the door noise shield. Smooth it out. We're going to slit our area lining up to the lines where we indicated the mounting holes for the automatic door return, where we just do a straight slit. And that way we can go ahead and peel it back, find out exactly where that is. Okay, once you have the holes cut, we can apply the top layer. because of the thickness of the door shield around the doorknob, what you want to do is to push the insulation material back further away from the hole opening. That way our thickness for the doorknob is not greatly affected. It's only 1/8 of an inch, and that will have no effect on the installation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding your installation, please call 419-633-3178 and ask for your sales representative, and we'll be more than happy to assist you on your installation. Thank you.